Before buying a pool table, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Best Choice 10-in-1 Game Table. The Best Choice Products 2x4 FT Combo Game Table is a real standout at just $169.99. What caught my attention is its versatility, 10 different games in one compact design. If you want affordable fun for family and friends, this is worth a serious look. It's perfect for game nights, and with over 4,100 reviews averaging 4.3 stars, people love it. Plus, its space-saving design means you can tuck it away easily when not in use. Now, some people complained about the build quality being a bit flimsy for heavy use. Here's the thing though, this table is perfect for casual play and family gatherings, but if you're a serious player, you might want something more durable. This is perfect for you if you host friends and family often or have limited space for a game table. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional-level billiards experience. At this price, you get great value for money with tons of options to play. Now, if the compact size of the Best Choice table doesn't suit you, the next one brings a more traditional feel to your game room. Product number 2, Go Sports 7 FT Billiards Table. The Go Sports 7 FT Billiards Table comes in at $599.99, and honestly, it's a fantastic choice for serious players. The first thing that stood out is how easy it is to set up. Just unfold the legs and you're ready to go. If you want a quality playing experience without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This table is made from heavy-duty alloy steel and features a premium felt surface, ensuring smooth gameplay every time. It measures a competitive 84L x 47W x 31H inches, making it ideal for serious games with friends or family. Plus, it includes everything you need: a full set of balls, 2 cue sticks, and a ball rack. With 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's well-loved in the community. However, some users noted that it might not be the best fit for smaller rooms due to its size. But here's the thing. If you have the space, the quality of play makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your billiards game and have room to spare. Skip this one if you're in a tight space or need something more portable. For the price, you're getting a solid piece of equipment that feels like a traditional table. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something slightly smaller. Product number 3, Go Sports 6 FT Billiards Table. Next up is the Go Sports 6 FT Billiards Table, priced at $499.99. This one caught my eye for its portability and ease of setup. If you want a well-built table that fits into tighter spaces, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this table is that it's a mid-size option, perfect for apartments or smaller game rooms. It's built with the same heavy-duty alloy steel as its bigger brother and has a smooth felt surface, making gameplay enjoyable. With dimensions of 76L x 43W x 31H inches, it's a great compromise between size and performance, and it has over 3,100 reviews with a 4.3-star rating. Now, some people mention that it might feel a bit cramped for larger groups. But honestly, if you're just looking for a casual game night setup, it's a fantastic choice without sacrificing quality. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between performance and space. Skip this one if you regularly host large gatherings or need a full-size table. For the price, it's a solid investment in fun. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable option that's still fun, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 4, Best Choice Tabletop Billiard Table. The Best Choice Tabletop Billiard Table is a steal at just $69.98. Honestly, what impressed me most is its size and the fact that you can set it up anywhere. If you want a low-cost option that still offers a great game experience, this is worth a serious look. At 40 inches long, this tabletop version is perfect for limited space or even as a way to introduce kids to billiards. It's built with composite wood for durability and even has non-slip strips for stability during play. Plus, it comes with all the essentials: 2 cue sticks, a set of balls, and a racking triangle. With a 4.6-star rating from 352 reviews, people are happy with this purchase. Now some users reported that it might not be as sturdy as a full-sized table. But here's the thing, for casual play, especially with kids or in tight spaces, it's perfect and way more practical. This is perfect for you if you want something fun and portable. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional level experience. At this price point, you just can't go wrong. And if you want something that can be a bit more serious for your game room, the next product brings a blend of fun and functionality. Product number 5, Go Sports 8 FT Billiards Table. Finally, we have the Go Sports 8 FT Billiards Table, also priced at $599.99. This one grabbed my attention for its premium oak design and larger playing area. If you want a table that feels more like a traditional billiards setup, this is worth a serious look. The heavy-duty steel frame and high-quality felt surface ensure you get a smooth and enjoyable experience every time you play. It includes everything you need right out of the box, including cue sticks and balls, making it a great choice for family game nights. With 3,100 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's a well-regarded option. However, some users feel it's too big for small spaces. But honestly, if you have room for it, the gameplay quality and experience make it worth having a larger table. This is perfect for you if you have a dedicated game room and love to entertain. Skip this if you're in an apartment or have limited space. For the price, you're investing in a high-quality table that will provide years of enjoyment. In conclusion, each of these tables serves a unique need. Whether you need something versatile like the Best Choice Combo Game Table or a more traditional setup like the Go Sports 8 FT table, there's something for everyone. To wrap it up, if you want versatility, the Best Choice Combo Game Table is fantastic. For serious players, Go Sports offers both the 6 FT and 7 FT options to fit different needs. The tabletop version from Best Choice is great for limited spaces, while the 8 FT Go Sports table brings a more traditional experience. No matter what you choose, you can't go wrong with these options.